Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you on how to remove the login password on Windows 11 using the Autologon tool from Microsoft sysinternals. This is a simple and effective solution to configure your computer for automatic login without needing to enter a password. First, you'll need to download the Autologon tool. Search for the phrase sysinternals Autologon on Google. Then, visit the official Microsoft sysinternals website and download the tool. After downloading, extract the file. Inside the extracted folder, you'll find three files. Autologon.exe. This is the standard version, typically used for 32-bit systems. If you're unsure whether your computer is 32-bit or 64-bit, this version is a safe choice. Autologon64.exe and Autologon64a.exe. Both are designed for 64-bit systems. The difference between these two versions may involve minor updates or improvements, but it's not explicitly indicated by the file names. If your computer is 64-bit, I recommend using Autologon64.exe to ensure compatibility. Next, run the file that matches your computer's architecture. In the main interface of the tool, you'll need to fill in your login information, including your username, domain name if applicable, and password. Once you've entered the details, click the Enable button to activate. After clicking Enable, Autologon will configure your system to log in directly to your account every time the computer starts, without requiring a password. To confirm, restart your computer and check if the system is successfully configured. To re-enable the login function, simply run the Autologon executable again, enter your password, and click the Disable button. I hope this video has helped you learn how to remove the login password on Windows 11 quickly and easily. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss other helpful tech tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.